Hello and welcome to our SketchUp tutorials for beginners. In SketchUp, layers are mostly used for the visibility of different pieces in various stages of the scene. They are a great way to quickly add or remove objects from the scene without having to delete them. Adding layers is done by using the plus button in the Layers menu. And if you want to change the layer of a specific object, you just have to select the desired pieces and switch the desired layer from the Entity Info menu. Then you have an easy, one-click control over the visibility of your scene geometry. However, have in mind that the active layer cannot be switched off. When deleting a layer by using the minus button, SketchUp allows you to pick what to do with the geometry inside, to move it to another layer, or to delete it from the whole scene. Copying an object will position it in the same layer as the original one. And if you want an elementary way to see each layer's contents, simply enable the layer colors. You can always use the option for artistic needs, or if you desire to work with solid color. When working with layers, an important thing to remember is to use them only with ready pieces, in groups or components. Layers are a quick and easy way to showcase different geometry setups when you organize a specific scene. Thank you for being with us. Don't forget to subscribe for more great tips on how to use SketchUp. Have questions? Consider getting SketchUp Pro or want to get in touch? Feel free to find us at www.aeco.space. See you next time.